what you need to do, is not just deploying an AI model and saying, okay, my job here is done, go forth and prosper. The answer is that we need to continually refine those models. Once we've deployed that model, once we've then used it in production and then observed outcomes, what the key thing to do is then think of a 2x2 table where an AI either predicted a yes or a no, person opened the email or didn't, for example. And then let's look at the actual outcome, which was the person actually opened it or they didn't open it. So in that 2x2 matrix, you either have, we said they wouldn't open it and they didn't. We said they would open it and they did. Those are where we got it right. But now there's two boxes where we were wrong, where we didn't think they'd open it and they did, or we did think they opened it and they didn't. Those are called false positives and false negatives, right? And what we need to do is dig in, figure out which of those are more concerning. And it really depends on the subject matter, what we're dealing with. But then we need to dig in and understand, well, why were we off?